Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation for today. And here is that quote. Smile! Happiness looks gorgeous on you. Look at it. It really does look incredible on you, you know. Smiling. It's always been infectious. One person smiles and you have to follow on. If you're happy too, then so many people around you will be as well. You become the sunshine in their life, and everyone needs a little bit of sunshine, don't they? Smile and be happy. It looks gorgeous on you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.